footage of us off-roading. It's going to be mostly about trains this run. Nonetheless, be sure to enjoy this wonderful video of myself, Eric, and Sam as we venture down to the Cumbres and Toltec to see the Rio Grande Southern engine number 20 run down on its line. We're down here in Alamosa, Colorado, looking at the train shuffle things back and forth as we wait for Sam to come down from Fort Collins to Littleton, pick up his vehicle, and eventually down to Antonito. By the time we got to our camp spot, it was around 1 in the morning. Those are our CSX locomotives, ain't they? Yep. We're in Antonito. Oh. Yay. I don't know.
Approaching a level crossing.
What?
Something about a crossing.
Oh yeah, it slows down to 25. You can go 25-ish. It's just kind of cruising.
This is like 28.
That's fine. Antonito. Here we are. Yeah, boy. It's getting dark. It's getting chilly.
Anywhere specific I should go?
Hello, little kitty. Look like Bootsy. A cupcake. Straight ahead, we're going to go all the way through town, and then right after we pass the Cumbres, we're going to turn left. And that's the Sinclair gas station. Honestly, that's pretty tight, you know. I wonder why they're doing it. It's pretty cool.
Probably believe it.
That's a given.
No, but like it's first sight. That's the second K37 I've seen in person.
You'll see the third one on the other side. So we're going to be turning up here a little bit, so we're going to get up right here. You want to turn your signal on, turn left. We're turning on this street. Probably second. There's 495 sitting outside.
Second K37 I've seen in person.
And we're gonna go up there, see where that guy's pulling out. We gotta turn there because you can't go down there and all that, and then back.
Okay.
Hey, there's 20. She's sitting outside. No, I'm kidding. She'll be out there tomorrow probably. So you want
turn lane. You know, why am I directing you?
No, you're all good, dude.
I don't know. I sound like an asshole when I do that. I'm sorry.
No, you're dude. Dude, you're all good.
I'm glad. Oh. Oh. Oops.
Sorry, I'm a little crazy.
At about 10 o'clock, we were able to meet up with Sam, and we headed off to our journey after spending an hour in the gas station bullshitting.
So extremely low, pretty much everything, and then a really high exposure.
But if you do too slow, the stars actually move.
Really?
You can
Yeah, you'll have a little trail.
Wow.
Well, here we are. It's a beautiful morning. Slept for about 2 hours. My campsite, Sam's campsite, and Eric's site. And here at the Cumbres and Voltec once again in the morning. Beautiful sunrise coming up. Might pull that drone out. Yeah, I don't know how to work this camera too good, but let's see. Yeah. That's it, all for now. This is our breakfast for the morning. We're having haichu. Sam's having his Mountain Dew. I want to have a Coke in the fridge. The Haribo, is that Haribo? Haribo? Haribo. I'm glad someone speaks English here. And Nutty Buddies. These Nutty Buddies, you eat 2 cookies, it's like 80% of your sugar and like 40% of your fat. So, we got Sleepy Time tea that no one's going to eat.
And marshmallows.
Oh, and marshmallows and other stuff. And, yeah. I don't know. I got Ruffles in the truck with avocado too.
As we're getting ready to leave to Osier in the morning, we hear a whistle in the distance, and we're like, I wonder who that is. So I call up my boss right away, and I says, hey Jeff, is that you guys out there? He says, no, we just got to the shop, so it wasn't the 20. What we did find out was a surprise. It was the fireman school going out and doing their training sessions.